नमस्कार. आरडेक्स गोवाच्या कोंकणी खबराचित्रांत तुमकां माय मोगाचो येवकार. पळोवया गोंयच्यो मुखेल घडणुको. मुखेलमंत्री डॉ. प्रमोद सावंतान ब्रेस्तारा 2019-2020चो शिल्की अर्थसंकल्प विधानसभेत मांडलो. अर्थसंकल्पीय अधिवेशनात आदले मुखेलमंत्री सर्गेस्त मनोहर पर्रीकरान थोडे भितर त्या वेळार अर्थसंकल्प सादर केल्लो. पर्रीकराचोच अर्थसंकल्प मुखेलमंत्री सावंतान परत मांडला. त्या भायर पर्रीकरांच्या समाधी खातीर मिरामार 10 कोटींची तरतूद केल्या म्हण म्हायती मुखेलमंत्री सावंतान दिल्या. आरडीएक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Honorable CM, speech on annual financial statement for the year 2019-20.
स्पीकर सर, सगळ्यात पयलीं हांव याद करता आमचे प्रेरणास्थान आनी आधुनीक गोंय घडोवपाची घटमूट बुन्याद घालपी सर्गेस्त मनोहरभाई पर्रीकर हांची. बाकीवा बोरकर हांच्या उतरांनी सांगपाचें जाल्यार देखणी ती जीवने जी तृप्तीची तीर्थोदके चांदणे ज्यातुनी वाहे शुभ्र पाऱ्यासारके चांदणे ज्यातुनी वाहे शुभ्र पाऱ्यासारके ह्या उतराक सार्थ थारोवपी जीण जगिल्ल्या मनोहरभाईंच्या सपनांतलें सुंदर सुरक्षीत सुशिक्षीत विकासाचे नवे पायडी घालपी गोंय घडोवपा खातीर सबका साथ सबका विकास सबका विश्वास सादपी अशें सर्वव्यापी सर्वस्पर्शी प्रशासन दिवपाची मोख मुखार दवरून आयज हांव तुमच्या मुखार हो अर्थसंकल्प दवरता. सभापती महाशय सर्गेस्त मनोहर पर्रीकर यांची याद सदांच आमच्या मदीं उरची म्हणून मिरामार हांगा तांचें स्मारक निर्माण करपा खातीर 10 कोटी रुपयाची अर्थसंकल्पीय तरतूद करपाची हांव आयज घोशणा करता. द एन्युअल फायनान्शियल स्टेटमेंट for the year 2019-20 was laid before this august house by late Sri Manohar Parrikar. I stand before you today to take further the task envisaged by Sri Manohar Parrikar to make Goa as an ideal state, a modern state in Union of India. My priorities in these budgets are job creation, investment in health, education and agriculture. 12 years after the implementation of the value-added tax in 2005, India rolled out the goods and services tax on 1st July 2017. The GST is by far the largest tax reform in India, paving the way of a single national market. The GST cess Act 2017 is a compensation cess that is levied on specific items and services for compensation to the state for the loss of revenue on the implementation of the GST. Speaker sir, my government believes in social commitment and responsibility, and therefore we have formulated innovating scheme like Dayanand Social Security Ladli Lakshmi Graha Aadhar scheme. Today, as a result of this scheme, we see the pleasant smile on the face of senior citizen, the sense of dignity on the face of housewife, and boosted self-confidence in a girl child, which certainly increased the happiness index of Goa. Speaker sir, the state in recent year is host the various cultural and intellectual events like Serendipity Festival, Lokutsav, DD Kosambi Festivals of Ideas, recent held the Nobel Series and annual IFFI. Besides, we have our own indigenous culture festival like Sanjaon, Shimgotsav. This festival attracts the kind of tourists and visitors of the different segments who are genuinely interested in heritage, culture and intellectual aspects. Besides enjoying their holiday, keeping this in mind, I propose an annual event calendar for the state, which will be well marketed, highlighted at the various cultural and religious festivities besides other events being hosted in the state.